Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool washer pressure switch hose. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new pressure switch hose. The pressure switch hose goes in between the tub and the pressure switch. The main reason for changing it out is if it has a hole in it and the washer is overfilling. In order to change the part, we have to go around to the back of the washer. Now that we're on back, we're going to use the Torx 20 driver to take out these 3 screws that hold the top on. Now that we have the screws out, we can lift the top off. We have to pull back on it a little bit so it comes out from the control panel. And we can lift up on it, then lift it off and set it aside. Now that we have the top off, we can take the back panel off. We're going to use the same Torx 20 driver to remove all the screws. You don't have to take the ones out that are in these cutouts because they don't hold the back panel on. Once you have the last screw out, you can hold the back panel, and then we can pull the bottom out a little bit and let the panel drop down a little bit and pull it off the washer. Now that we have the back panel off, we have access to the pressure switch hose. It runs from the air chamber up to the pressure switch. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help take it off the air chamber. Once you have it off the air chamber, we can follow it up and take it out of this holding clip. And then we can go up and take it off the pressure switch. To get it off the pressure switch, you just have to reach in and use a screwdriver to help get it off if you need to. Once you have it off, you can lift it out of the washer. Here's the old pressure switch hose next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new pressure switch hose in, we're just going to feed it down into the washer. And then we can connect it to the water level pressure switch. Just have to push it onto the fitting. Want to make sure it goes on all the way so you get a good seal. Once you have it on, we can go hook up the other end. We're not going to put the hose in the clip first. We're going to go down and hook it up to the air chamber first. So we're just going to grab it at the end and push it all the way on. Once you have the hose pushed onto the air chamber, we're going to follow it up and put it into the clip. Just want to carefully put it in there, and you want to make sure that it's centered and the hose isn't going to rub on anything. Once you have it installed, we can put the back panel back on the washer. To put the back panel on, we're going to make sure the upper lip goes behind the smaller panel on the top, and we can lower it against the frame. Once you have the back panel lined up, you can use the Torx 20 driver to put all the screws in. Now that we have the back panel on, we can put the top back on the washer. To put the top on, we're just going to set the front into the lip right there. We can set it down and then push it forward so it locks into those tabs right there. Once you have the top on, we can use the Torx 20 driver to put the screws back in. Now that we have the washer put back together, we can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.